Hello students, welcome to the video class of the chapter trigonometry. Okay, for the students of class 11th. Now, before that we should do Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. I am Prasanna Kumar Patnaik, lecturer in mathematics. Okay, then actually what is mathematics? Mathematics is the queen of science. So it is applied in every science, that is physical science, okay, that is physics, chemistry, computer science, etc. And also it is also applicable in medical, construction, engineering fields. Okay, so before going to the chapters of class 11th, we should know about its syllabus. Okay, so what is syllabus? Unit 1, that is set theory, relation function, trigonometry. Unit 2, algebra, that is principle of mathematical induction, complex number and quadratic equation, linear inequalities, permutation and combinations, binomial theorem, sequence and series. This is unit 2. Now unit 3 is coordinate geometry in 2-dimensional. Introduction of coordinate geometry in 3-dimensional. This is unit 3. And unit 4 is calculus. Okay, limit and derivative. That is unit 4. Unit 5 is mathematical reasoning. And unit 6 is statistics and probability. These are the syllabus. These are the syllabus of the class 11th. Okay, these are the syllabus of class 11th. Now, in this class, we are going to study about trigonometric. Okay. Now, trigonometrics. What is trigonometric and who is the father of trigonometric? The father of trigonometric is Greek astronomer Hipparchus. Okay, so father of trigonometric, that is who? Greek astronomer Hipparchus. Okay, and what is the uses application of trigonometry? Trigonometry is applied in different fields such as physics and construction engineering, that is civil engineering, architecture, okay, and in medical science it is also used in orthopedic. So these are the application of the trigonometry. Now actually how the trigonometry is derived and from which the trigonometry is derived, that is introduction part. Introduction. The word trigonometry is combination of the word trigonometric is combination of the word Trigonometric is combination of two Greek words. Number one is trigon. Means triangle, and number two is metron. Means measurement. Okay, so there is combination of two Greek words, trigon and metron. Thus, trigonometric is the branch of mathematics. Thus, trigonometric is the branch of mathematics, which deals with the study of triangle, study of measurement of sides and angles of the triangle. This is the definition of the trigonometric. Okay, now what is angle and types of angles? Let us discuss. What is angle? This is array. Mind it. This is line segment. Okay, this is line segment. This figure is array, and this figure is straight line. So this is array. This is in initial position. This is initial side or ray or side. If this rotates like this about a fixed point, suppose O, this shape is called angle. So what is meant by angle? The rotation of a ray from initial position to terminal position. This is terminal position. This is initial position, and this is terminal position. If a ray is rotated from initial position to terminal position, the shape which is obtained by rotating a ray from initial position to terminal position is called an angle. So what is angle? Angle means the shape is obtained by rotation of a ray from initial position, from initial position to terminal means final. Terminal means what? Final. That is final position. Is called an angle. What is amount of angle? Angle is what? The shape formed by the initial position to the shape formed by the rotation of ray from initial position to terminal position. This shape is called angle. What is the measurement of angle? Measurement of angle. Okay. Measurement of an angle. The amount of rotation the amount of rotation of a ray from initial position to terminal position is called the measurement of the angle. Okay, the amount of rotation means what? This is an angle. Measure this. How it is? How many quantities and how many? This is the amount of rotation. That is the amount of rotation of a ray from initial position to terminal position is called its measurement. Now, the units of measurement of angles. What are the units of measurement of angles and what are the types of angles? What is mainly there are two types of angle according to the measurement of angles. Types of angles according to the direction of measurement. This is an angle and this is which direction? Anti-clockwise direction. If the angle is measured in anti-clockwise direction, what happens? What is this? That is positive angle. Number one, positive angle. If the angle is measured in anti-clockwise direction, then it is called positive angle. Okay, suppose this is theta. Now what is negative angle? Number two, negative angle. What is negative angle? If the angle is measured in a clockwise direction, then this is called negative angle. If the angle is measured in clockwise direction, then it is called negative angle. Okay, So this is the types of angle according to the direction of the measurement. Now types of angle according to its amount. Types of angle according its amount. Types of angle according to amount. That is acute angle. Suppose number 1, acute angle. Suppose the theta. Acute angle theta means theta less than 0 less than theta less than 90 degree. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle 90 degree less than theta less than 180 degree. Okay. Right angle. Right angle theta is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Straight angle. Straight angle, that is theta is 180 degree. Reflection angle. Reflexive angle or reflection angle, reflexive angle or reflection angle, that is 180 less than theta less than what? That is, it is not required to you, that is straight angle. Up to straight angle you, okay, this is straight angle. These four are important. Reflection angle means this is reflection angle, this is the, suppose this is the angle and its reflection is like this. Okay, its reflection is like this, or this is called co-terminal angles. Co-terminal angles means the sum or difference is multiple of what? To 360 degree. Okay. Now these are the angles according to amount. Now types of angles. Types of angles based on sides. Number 1, equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle? Each side having equal length. Thus this is A and this is B and this is C. Okay, and if three sides having equal length, then this is called equilateral triangle. The length of each side is equal, that is the length of each side of the triangle. If the length of each side of triangle are equal, then the triangle is known as equilateral triangle. सबू साइड इक्वल हवा दरकार लेंथ इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल कहवा को. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल? व्हाट इज नंबर 2 आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल. नंबर 2 आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल. Isosceles triangle. If two sides of a triangle are equal in length are equal in length, then it is known as isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Okay, isosceles triangle. Now third one is scalene triangle. This is isosceles triangle. This is isosceles A, B, C. Suppose this length is equal to this length, that is AB length is equal to AC length. Here equilateral triangle. Two isosceles triangle means two sides are equal in length, magnitude. So scalene triangle, the sides are not equal. Okay, if the sides of the triangle are unequal, then it is known as scalene triangle. This is suppose 3 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, this is suppose 7 centimeter, and this is 5 centimeter. This is three sides are not equal, so this is called scalene triangle. Okay. Now types of angle based on its angle. Now types of angles based on angles. Number 1, acute angled triangle. Acute angle triangle means this is acute angle triangle, A, B, C. Okay, acute angle triangle. If the angles of the triangle are acute angle, if the angles of the triangle are acute angles, then it is known as acute angle triangle. Acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle. Suppose this is 30 degree and this is what? And this is suppose 45, nothing else here. This is what? 40 degree, and this is 60 degree, and this is what? This is 40, 60, and this is, suppose this is 80 degree. Okay, this angle is what? Acute angle. This angle is what? Acute angle. This angle is what? Acute angle. If all angles are acute angle, this is called acute angle triangle. Number 2, obtuse angle triangle. Number 2, obtuse angle triangle. If one of the angles of a triangle is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. What is obtuse angle? Means greater than 90 degree. Then it is known as obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. This is obtuse angle triangle. Okay, this angle is greater than 90. This is obtuse angle triangle A, B, C. This is obtuse angle triangle. Now, a right angle triangle. What is right angle triangle? A right angle triangle, if one of the angles of a triangle is 90 degree, then it is known as right angle triangle. Right angled triangle. This is right angle triangle. This is 90 degree. Okay, this is right angle triangle. Suppose A, B, C. And a right angle isosceles triangle. What is right angle isosceles triangle? Right angle isosceles triangle. This is right angle, and isosceles means what? This side is equal to this side. Two sides equal, and one angle is 90 degree. This is A, B, C. This side is equal to this side, and the angle is 90 degree. This is isosceles right angle triangle. That is, if one of the angle of a triangle, angles of the triangle is 90 degree, and two sides are equal in length, is known as isosceles right angle or right angled isosceles triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle. Okay, these are the concept and terms about the triangles. Now, what is the measurement of angles? We will discuss what is the measurement of angles. What are the units of measurement of the angles? There are three types of units of measurement of angles. Number one, sexagesimal system or British system. Number two, that is centesimal system or France system. Number three, circular system or radian system. Okay, so let us discuss what is sexagesimal system. That is units of measurements of angles. Number one, sexagesimal system or British system. This is also called British system. Okay, sexagesimal system is also known as British system. You know what is right angle? You know this is right angle. You know this is right angle. Okay, this is what? This is right angle. Right angle, one right angle. Okay, this is one right angle. If one right angle is divided is divided like this, very small portions, very small portions, very small portion. This is this up to 90 parts, up to 90 parts. Then each part is called what? 1 degree. Clear? So sexagesimal system, the units of measurement is in this system, the unit of measurement, of angle is degree. That is, suppose x degree. This is denoted as x degree. Okay, so in this system, this is the unit of the measurement, that is degree is the unit of the measurement. Sexagesimal system, what is the units of the measurement of angles? This is degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, like this degree. The symbol is like, in this system, one right angle is divided into 90 equal parts. Each part is called 1 degree. तो देखो ये जो राइट एंगल अच्छी ताकू इक्वल पार्ट 90 इक्वल पार्ट कली. So each part is called 1 degree. This is 1 degree, this is 1 degree, this is 1 degree. Okay. So one right angle, that is one right angle is equal to 90 degree. Again or further 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. This is minute. Okay, this symbol indicates 60 minute. Again 1 minute is equal to 60 second. This symbol indicates 60 second. Okay, this is the sexagesimal system or British system. Okay, now number 2, centesimal system or France system. Number 2 is centesimal system or France system. Okay, in this method, in this system, the unit of measurement of angle is grade. Okay, suppose x grade. This is denoted by xg. This is x grade. Read as x grade. Okay. Now in this system, this is a right angle, okay, and divide this up to 100 parts, up to 100 parts. Suppose in this system one right angle is divided into 100 equal parts. गोटे 90 डिग्री को 100 इक्वल पार्ट्स डिवाइड कर वन राइट एंगल को 100 इक्वल पार्ट्स. each part is called one grade. Okay, that is one grade symbol 1G. Further, 1 grade is equal to what? 100 minute. This is what? This is minute. 100 minute. Okay, this symbol is minute, and 1 minute is equal to 100 seconds. It seems too wrong, because in British system, we follow in British system, that is 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, but here 1 minute is equal to 100 seconds. If you tell that is 1 minute is equal to 100 seconds, then it is 100% wrong if you do not mention the system. Because if the question is 1 minute equal to dash second, the answer is 60 seconds, because we followed by British system. But if the question is 1 minute is equal to dash second according to France system, what is the question? 1 minute is equal to dash second according to France system. The answer is, according to France system, 1 minute is equal to 100 seconds. Okay, again repeat. If the system is France system, then 1 minute is equal to 100 seconds. Okay, if the system is France system or centesimal system, then 1 minute is equal to 100 seconds. This is the centesimal system. Now third one is circular system or radian system. Third one is circular system and radian system. Okay, what is circular system? This angle, the unit of measurement of angles related to the circle, that's why it is called circular system. Okay, the unit of the measurement in this system are related to a circle, so that's why it is called circular system. First, in this system, the unit is, in this system, the units of measurement of angle is radian. Okay, radian. Suppose x radian. Suppose x radian is denoted as xc. Symbol c means radian. Now what is 1 radian? What is 1 radian? Definition of 1 radian. Definition of 1 radian. Suppose this is circle. Okay, this is circle and this is center of the circle. This is center of the circle. This is called center. This point is called center, and this is radius r. Radius r. This is radius r. If this length is marked here, and join this, and join this. Okay, and join this. This is radius r. If the length here, this is arc. This is known as ARC, arc. This portion, this suppose this is A and this is B and this is O. Okay, this is what? This is the length AB is called arc, ARC, arc. लेंथ एबी टा को कौन कहूँ आर्क लेंथ जो एबी टा को आर्क कहूँ आर्क सपोज ये जो आर्क लेंथ एटा मध्य लेंथ ऑफ द आर्क आर हो गला तो सेंटर रे जो एंगल क्रिएट है दैट इज 1 रेडियन दैट इज 1 रेडियन दैट इज डेफिनेशन द एंगल subtended the angle subtended by an arc subtended at the center of the circle at the center of the circle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc whose length is equal to length is equal to the length of the radius of the circle equal to the radius of the circle. Dear students, listen carefully. What is radian? What is radian? If it is the angle formed or subtended at the center of the circle where the length of the arc is equal to radius length of the arc is equal to the radius of the circle, that is called 1 radian. यदि रेडियस है तो आर्क लेंथ दिस इज आर्क लेंथ इक्वल है से समय सेंटर रे जते एंगल क्रिएट होची सेटा कहउची 1 रेडियन. ओके, नाउ रेडियन मेजर इज कांस्टेंट. रेडियन एंगल इज कांस्टेंट, दैट इज पाई रेडियन इज इक्वल टू व्हाट 180 degree. Pi radian is equal to what 180 degree. Let's prove. One fact, pi radian or simply pi is equal to 180 degree. Okay, pi radian, and that is pi, simply pi is equal to what 180 degree. Now consider as proof. Consider a circle whose radius is r. This is center and this is what? This is radius and this is radius. Let let this is what? Let theta be the angle. Theta be the angle in radian subtended. Theta be the angle in radian formed by the arc. Suppose this is OAB, formed by the arc AB at the center of the circle. We know theta is equal to L by R. We know theta is equal to L by R, where this is suppose L by the arc AB at the center. Let L be the length of arc. This is let L be the length of arc. We know theta is equal to L by R. We know theta is equal to L by R. If theta changes to, if theta tends to what? 360 degree, means complete rotation. Then L changes to what? Total 2 pi r, circumference of the circle. This is 2 pi r na, total length. What is length of the circle? 2 pi r. So L changes to 2 pi r. Now put theta in place of theta is equal to here 360 degree, and L is equal to 2 pi r. R is fixed, so divide by r. R goes cancel, and 2 pi equal to what? 2 pi is equal to 360 degree, so pi is equal to 180 degree. This is another method. We can do this according to the arc length and angle. Another method, it can be solved. Now relation between degree, grade and radian. Relation between degree, grade and radian. Only in our syllabus the relation between degree and radian. It is our syllabus. Grade is not in our syllabus. One right angle is equal to what? We know one right angle is equal to what? 90 degree. Again one right angle is equal to what? One right angle is equal to 100 grade. Again, that is 180 degree is equal to what? We know 180 degree is equal to pi radian. So 90 degree is equal to what? Pi by 2. Again 90 degree is equal to pi by 2. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. From 1 to 3, from relation 1, 2 and 3. So 90 degree is equal to 100 grade is equal to pi by 2 radian. That implies what? 180 degree is equal to 200 grade is equal to pi radian. This is the relation between degree, grade and radian. Now conversion from one system to another system. Now conversion from one system to another system. Conversion from one system to another system. Suppose degree to radian system. Conversion degree to radian system. Conversion from degree system to radian system. We know 180 degree is equal to pi radian. So 1 degree is equal to what? Pi by 180 radian. If we calculate this, that is 1 degree is equal to pi by 180, that is 1 degree is equal to pi means 22 by 7 into what? 180, and calculate this figure. Calculating this figure, this is radian, and approximately that is equal to, after calculation, this is what? 1 degree is equal, put and calculate this figure. This is equal to what? 11, and calculate this 11. That is 11 here, and this is 90. So this is equal to approximately what? 1 by 639. This is radian, and after final calculation we will get approximately, this is approximately, calculate this, this is approximately 0.0174. This is radian. Calculate this, 1 by 630, 1 by 11 by 630. If we calculate this, we get 0.0174 radian. Now x radian is equal to x degree is equal to what radian? X degree is equal to what radian? Pi by 180 into x radian. So the note is degree system into pi by 180 is equal to radian system. That is degree into pi by 180 is equal to what? Radian. This is equal to radian. Degree into pi by 180, degree system into pi by 180 system is equal to what? Degree system into pi by 180 is equal to radian system. This is the concept. Now some problems related to this one, convert degree system to radian system. Now 0 degree equal to dash radian, 0 into pi by 180, 0. 30 degree equal to dash radian, okay, 30 into pi by 180, that is pi by 6. 45 equal to dash degree, 45 into what? Pi by 180, so this is cancel, pi by 4. 60 equal to degree equal to 60 into what? Pi by 180, this is pi by 3. 75 into pi by 180, calculate this, 75 into pi by 180, 5 calculation करें, ये 15, ये 36, 5 pi by 12. Calculate this. This is equal to 5 pi by 12. Okay, 120. That is 120 into what? Pi by 180. This is 2 pi by 3. And 135 into what? 135 into pi by 180 is equal to, this is 3 3 pi by 4, 45 into 3, 3 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4. Okay, these are the conversion of the degree system to radian system. Now one question, convert 45 degree 20 minute 10 second into radian, okay, into radian system. Now solution is, this is 45 degree 20 minute 10 second. Okay, this is what we can write, 45 degree plus 20 minute plus 10 second. Okay, so 20 minute, this is equal to 45 degree, 1 minute is equal to 1 minute is equal to what, 60 second, or minute को डिग्री करवा तो 1 डिग्री इक्वल टू व्हाट, 60 मिनट, 1 मिनट इक्वल टू व्हाट, 1/60, 1/60. तो मिनट को डिग्री कले डिवाइड बाय 60 करियो पड़ियो, मिनट को मो डिग्री करी डिवाइड बाय 60 करियो, सेकंड को डिग्री कले डिवाइड बाय 3600. दिस इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, 20/60 डिग्री. कौन पे ना 60 मिनट इज इक्वल टू 1 डिग्री, 1 मिनट इक्वल टू 1/60 डिग्री. सो 20 मिनट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, 1/60 into 20, so 20/60. सिमिलरली सेकेंड को मु कौन करी, सेकेंड को डिग्री करी माने 3600 डिवाइड करी तो कौन हो ना 10/3600 this degree. Okay, so cancel here, cancel here, cancel here, cancel here. This is equal to 45 degree. Okay, and this is 1/3 degree, and this is equal to 1/36 this degree. Now taking LCM here, now taking LCM here, that is what, 360, and this is 45 into 360, 16200, 16200. Okay, calculate this, 360 into 45, 360 into 45, 360 into 45. Okay, calculate this. This is what, 16200, 16200. Calculate 16200 and plus here, that is 120 plus 1, this is degree. So this is equal to what degree, this is equal to 1632, 16321 by 360 degree. And calculating this is equal to what, this is degree. Now 16321 divided by 360 degree is equal to what, 16321 divided by 360 into what, pi by 180 radian. And putting the value up, putting pi is approximately 22/7. Now calculate here, 16321 divided by 360 into 22/7 into 180. This is approximately radian. And calculating this figure, we get here, this is equal to what, 3590. Calculate this is cancel, and whole calculating this is equal to what, multiplying all the concept and all the numbers and calculate it, we will get what, 359,062. This is 3, calculate this 0 and 3, 359,602. 359,602 divide by 453,600. 4, that is what, 53600, and after calculation we get nearly equal to what, 0.79 radian. 0.79 radian. This is 0.79 radian. Finally 0.79 radian. Okay, final, this is putting the value of pi 22/7 and calculating this figure. Finally we get 0.79 radian. Clear? This is the conversion of degree system to radian system. Now conversion from radian system to degree system. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. We know pi radian equal to 180 degree. So 1 radian is equal to what? 180 by pi degree. 180 by pi degree. Okay. This calculation, after calculation, 1 radian is equal to what? 180 by pi means 22/7, and this is equal to, after calculation this is degree, and after calculation we get 1 radian is equal to approximately 57 degree 16 minute 22 second, or nearly 57.3 degree, 57.3 degree, nearly. This is, and after calculation we get this. So now pi by 2 radian is equal to dash 90 degree. Pi by 4 is equal to what? 45 degree. Pi by 3 is equal to what? 60 degree. Pi by 6 is equal to what? 5 by 6 is equal to what? 30 degree. 2 pi by 3 is equal to what? 120 degree. Okay, केम दिला एट केम दोस्त देखो पाई मीन्स पाई रेडियन मीन्स 180 डिग्री बाई 2 90 डिग्री 180 degree by 4 45 degree 180 degree by 3 how it is obtained, that is what, this is pi by 2 radian, so this is equal to what degree. We know pi is what, pi radian equal to 180 degree by what, 2, so this is 90 degree. Similarly pi by 4 is equal to what, this is 180 degree by 4, so 45 degree and pi by 3, this is equal to 180 degree by 3 is equal to what, 60 degree, etc. Okay. In it, these are the conversions. Suppose x radian is equal to what degree? X radian is equal to what? X radian is equal to, this is equal to x into pi by 180 by pi. 180 by pi. This degree. This is the conversion of the radian system to degree system. Okay, in next class we will do some extra problems, some problems related to conversion of the degree system, radian system to degree system, and then trigonometric identities. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.